Sending accommodation letters, the process for students. The first step is to refer to the PowerPoint that outlines in detail the steps that you will take. This video is going to focus on what the DRC Hub looks like when you follow that process. Let's show you how to request your accommodation letters within the DRC Hub. Most students have this bookmarked so they can refer to it easily. Once you have signed in using your Samuel Merritt credentials, you're going to see important messages. Scroll down until you see the heading, Select Accommodations for your class. Step 1, select classes. Take a moment and pause and think about your different classes. You need to decide if you're going to need accommodations for them, or if the class is such you may not need accommodations. Any classes that you may have already requested are going to have the word requested in brackets at the beginning of the class title. Otherwise, at this point, you will need to decide which courses that you want accommodations for and select each of those. Choose the Step 2 Continue to Customize Your Accommodations button. On this page, you will need to identify for each class which accommodations you would like to use. If you want to use all of them, check all of the boxes. If you only want to use one or two of your accommodations, select just those ones. Each class is going to be identified with black text against a gray heading. You will need to choose your accommodations for each class. Once you have selected your accommodations, choose the button Submit Your Accommodation Requests. If they've been successfully sent, you can see the green checkbox saying System Update is successful. Again, if you request your accommodations during the course, the letter will be sent automatically to the faculty member. If you choose your accommodations before the course begins, the letters will be held and sent out the week prior to the course start. Modifying accommodation letters. If you decide that you need to modify your accommodation request, on your dashboard under Important Messages, scroll back down towards the bottom of the page past the class list where you can see the name of your class in black text against a gray heading. There's the option to modify your request where you can then select additional accommodations that you have already been approved for, or you can cancel your request. If you do modify your request, please be sure to email the DRC so they can resend the letter to your faculty. Downloading copy of letters for personal use. Now let's show you how to download a copy of your letter for your own personal records. On your dashboard or your home page, scroll past Important Messages until you see the title Printing Faculty Notification Letter in PDF. From the drop-down, choose a class for which you have requested accommodations. Choose the Generate PDF button. The file will download and it will display exactly as the instructor receives it. Again, this is a copy for your own personal records. Emailing your professor a PDF version is not necessary. If you have any questions, please contact us online at www.samuelmerritt.edu/DRC. Email us at drc@samuelmerritt.edu or call us at 510-879-9233.